Struggling with dull kitchen knives every meal prep? Chopping vegetables takes forever, right? Plastic choppers break easily and don't last long. Ever worried about slicing your fingers while dicing? Cleaning up after chopping is a tedious chore. Your onion pieces are never evenly diced. Preparing salads for a crowd is exhausting. Grating cheese or veggies makes a huge mess. Switching between different slicers slows you down. Food gets stuck in blades, making cleaning difficult. You want professional results but lack professional tools. Plastic choppers age and crack after just months. Manual chopping wears out your wrists and hands. Small food items are hard to chop safely. You waste time switching between gadgets. Vegetable prep is the most dreaded kitchen task. Slicing potatoes evenly for fries seems impossible. You wish you could make perfect coleslaw at home. Traditional choppers can't handle large batches. You're tired of uneven tomato slices in your salsa. Let me show you a game changer for your kitchen. Meet the IPO stainless steel vegetable chopper. This isn't your average plastic chopper. It's made from commercial-grade stainless steel. No more fragile, aging plastic. Built to last. 8 interchangeable blades for every slicing need. Dice, slice, julienne, grate, shred, all in one tool. 2 chopper blades for different sized cuts. 6 extra blades for versatile kitchen prep. Uniform chopping for perfect salads and salsas. Removable parts make cleaning super easy. No more food stuck in hard-to-reach places. Just pop out the blades and rinse. Save time and effort after every meal. 3 times leverage for effortless dicing. Minimal pressure needed. Protects your wrists. Even large batches are easy to prep. Advanced safety handguards protect your fingers. Smaller foods are fully wrapped for safety. Never worry about accidental cuts again. Integrated food container keeps your counter clean. No more mess. Everything stays neat and organized. Ideal for restaurant kitchens and home cooks alike. Perfect for high-volume food prep. Professional results with every chop and slice. Durable design stands up to daily use. BPA-free construction for safe food contact. Wave, fine, and standard slicing blades included. Julienne and grater blades for creative dishes. Make fries, coleslaw, salsa, and more effortlessly. Heavy-duty frame handles tough veggies easily. Extended lever makes operation smooth and easy. Removable design saves time on cleaning. No more scrubbing stuck on food for hours. Patented frame ensures long-lasting performance. Handles potatoes, onions, cabbage, and more. Get uniform cuts every single time. No more uneven slices or chunks. Safe, efficient, and super versatile. Designed for busy kitchens and serious cooks. Upgrade your food prep routine instantly. Enjoy happy cooking with quality cookware. Spend less time prepping, more time enjoying meals. Impress guests with professional-looking dishes. Make healthy eating easier and faster. Save your hands, save your time, save your energy. Invest in durability and efficiency for your kitchen. Get the IPO stainless steel vegetable chopper today. Transform your kitchen experience with one smart gadget. Happy chopping, happy cooking, make it effortless.